Welcome to my new listing at 31 Downing Drive, where everything is just right. The front porch, is it too big? Is it too small? It's just right. Have you been seeing homes that have too much square footage or not enough square footage? This home, just right. Do you tend to fall into the minimalist category or the hoarding category? Well, it really doesn't matter in this house because these rooms are just right. Have you been seeing those homes with too small of a yard or too big of a yard? Well, this yard, mwah. If you're looking for that home that is just right, you know what to do. Call me.